Hey guys, it's your girl Polish Beauty again with another video. You guys know I try to upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but due to me being a registered nurse and my work schedule, I'm not always able to keep up with that schedule. But however, we are all things beauty, from drugstore to luxury, and we even throw in some bomb skincare. Now today on this video, it is my birthday. I am filming this on April 18th, but I don't know when this is going to be uploaded. Aries seasons in the building, the Rams. So I wanted to do super glam, super luxurious for my birthday. Even though we are still quarantined, I didn't want to sit at home and just mope around. So I just wanted to get up and get glam for you guys. And I said, why not film it for my subscribers? We did use some pigments today, some Jlarue, some Inglot. We used all those great things today. So before we get into this tutorial, how about you guys look down, hit your subscribe button, give your girl a big thumbs up and a happy birthday in the comments. Now we're about to get into it. Okay, you guys, here are where we're gonna bring into our pigments. We're gonna use our Inglot gel liner in the shade 94, and we're gonna cut a crease with it, and then we're gonna add some pigments on top of it. Trying to find me a little brush to cut my crease with. So I'm gonna use this small brush, this flat shader brush. It is a Lexi 246 Precision Crease Brush. Okay, so the first pigment we are actually going to go into and lay down on top of this is going to be the Inglot Pure Pigment Eyeshadow AMC 86, number 86, and it looks like this. And I'm using the Jlarue Hill JH39. Okay, the next pigment we're gonna lay down. I'm using all tiny brushes that I can find. I feel like if I use small brushes, it's gonna be easier for me to control the pigment. So we're going to the Jlarue White Gold. And it looks like this in the container. It's white. So I'm going back into the Inglot pigment. back into the 10K, the white gold. So I'm going to take a brush and apply some lash glue. Then I'm gonna go into the Jlarue Flirt, which is a pigment, but it's like a chunky glitter pigment, and it looks like this. go back into my honey palette in the shade Keeper. I was using Keeper and Swan. Okay, you guys, I am going to finish up the rest of my look off camera, and you know, I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back with the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you absolutely love it. As I said in the intro, today is my birthday, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for the girl. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. But yeah, that's why I wanted to be super glam today. Even though we are quarantined, I still want to do something for my birthday. I don't want to sit at home and just look boring and blah and just with nothing to do. So that's why we did this makeup tutorial today. But you guys make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me some bum comments and some thumbs up. And I'm gonna holler at you guys later.